AKY Technology is a leader company in Turkish market in seed and dry food processing machinery industry. Administration building and assembly factory is located in the second industrial area of Mersin, Turkey. Company is a unique organization which manufactures the equipment to handle all processes from harvest to packaging as well as palletizer robots. AKY Technology is manufacturing global solutions for dry food sector. Company established its 15,000 square meter production factory in the first industrial zone in Mersin. AKY Technology has been serving for 47 countries in 5 continents. Now it is techno-innovation time with AKY Technology.